Welcome to your first day at Human Futures Trading.
At Human Futures, we transform lives into portfolios.
Zip code 44139? That's a 94% poverty retention rate.
Multiple revenue streams equal entrepreneurship.
Every search, every click, every desperate 3 a.m. query, we monetize their digital prayers.
Some patterns are simply inevitable.
But remember, we're creating opportunities.
History doesn't repeat, it replicates.
Every decline is just unrealized potential.
These aren't assets. They're mothers, daughters, human beings with souls you're destroying.
Souls don't appear in spreadsheets.
Emotion corrupts projections.
Destruction optimizes efficiency.
Our closure protocols ensure complete market efficiency.
Your training is now complete.
Please, someone has to stop this.